In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily navigate and update your sales tax settings in QuickBooks. Whether you're running a small business or just trying to keep your personal finances in order, managing your taxes efficiently can make a world of difference. So let's dive right in and make this task a breeze. First things first, you'll want to head over to QuickBooks. You can do this by opening your favorite web browser and typing in the QuickBooks URL, or simply clicking on the QuickBooks link if you have it bookmarked. Once you're on the home page, you should see a menu with various options. It's essential to familiarize yourself with this menu as it provides quick access to all the different functionalities QuickBooks offers. Now, from that menu, you need to locate and click on the Taxes option. By doing this, you'll open a window specifically designed to handle all of your tax-related needs within QuickBooks. It's the hub where you can see your tax summary, manage past submissions, and most importantly for us today, adjust your sales tax settings. Keeping your tax settings updated is crucial to ensure you're collecting the right amount from your customers and staying compliant with any governmental regulations. Moving on, you'll want to click on Sales Tax Settings. This section allows you to view how your sales taxes are being managed. Here you can review which tax agencies you are interacting with and see the current rates you have set. It's a good place to double-check the details to ensure everything aligns with current tax laws or specific deals you might have. Once you're in the sales tax settings, look for the Edit button. Clicking this will enable you to make changes to your existing settings. Whether you need to adjust the tax rate because the state or local tax rates have changed, or you want to update which items are taxable, this is where you'll make those adjustments. It's easy to overlook small details like these, but tweaking them now can save you a lot of trouble down the line. As you make changes, remember to double-check all your inputs for accuracy. Mistakes here could result in either overcharging your customers or undercollecting taxes, both of which can cause compliance issues. It's always a good idea to consult with your accountant if you're unsure about any adjustments you need to make. And there you have it, a straightforward way to manage your sales tax settings in QuickBooks. By following these steps, you'll be able to efficiently update your settings and ensure that your finances are always in top shape. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more insightful QuickBooks tips.